Good morning, everyone. We are somewhere in Illinois today, but I just wanted today I talked a little bit on my Instagram about the Maybelline SuperStay full coverage foundation. But today I'm actually gonna do like an actual wear test because that day I went to the water park, so obviously I didn't have it on super long to see how it did. So I just put it on and I made sure to blend real well. I accidentally put a lot of highlighter on. You know, we're just gonna be shining. And but I made sure to blend really well this time. And now that I've gotten a little bit of sun, it actually is the right color. So that's good. But yeah, so it's like 8-ish. So 7:30 in the morning. So we'll see after a full day in the car and have dance class later. We'll see how this holds up. So hopefully it'll still look good by the time I get in the shower before work tonight at 11. So yeah, I'll update you when we stop and all that jazz. So I'll see you in about 3 hours. So we just got home. I have had the foundation on for 5 hours. It looks pretty good. I don't think I look any, well, let's get the shadow out of the way. I don't look any shinier than I did before. And so maybe a little bit around my nose, but not bad at all. That's that highlight though. And it's not like really cracking or anything. So I'm about to take a nap and then go to dance class and we'll see how it holds up. Bye. Alright, so final check-in for the Maybelline SuperStay 24-hour foundation. I have had it on for over 12 hours now, and this includes a nap, sleeping in the car, driving in the car for a long time, and dance class. So honestly, I feel like if I didn't have dance class, I wouldn't be as shiny as I am right now, but obviously like I was sweating. But I think even after sweating, it held up really well. Like my laugh lines didn't crack, and that's usually like the first thing to crack. My highlights still look good. Hello, Gregory. But like the coverage is still there. Like yeah, I'm a little shiny, but the coverage is still there. Overall, I still look good. Y'all, for an $8 foundation, get it. It's $8. If you have combination oily skin, this is what you need. It's $8. Okay? And it's full coverage. It blends well. Stuff blended well over top of it. Yes, it is a drugstore foundation that, there we go. No, there's not a shadow on my face. If you guys are looking for a good full coverage drugstore foundation, this is what you need to get. The Maybelline SuperStay 24-hour foundation. It held up through 4 hours of teaching dance and 2 pulled muscles. So yes. All right, well, I will see you guys next time. I hope you have an amazing week or 2 weeks, however it takes for me to upload my next video. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sending you all the love, light, and slay all day. Bye.